Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in monday.com. So to do that guys, all you really have to do is simply click on your account on the upper right hand side, click on your profile, and that's going to open up your profile info section. Here you'll find your picture. If there's a picture already ready for you, you can find it here and you can hover over it and click change, right? So if you click on that, you can change your profile picture or you can remove it, or you can just basically set your work status. This is basically if you want to set your work status, but you can easily change your profile picture by clicking on change profile picture, and then you can upload something from your computer, right? So you will have to find something on your PC. So let's say I want to use this one, for example. I can click on that, then click on open, and you will see that it appears. So if the picture looks too big like mine right here, you can just use this to make it smaller, right? So you can just basically change it the way you want, right? And you, yeah, just basically change it the way you want, as you can see. And that's pretty much it. I also recommend that you go ahead and test it, right, to see how it actually looks. And if you're satisfied, then you can go ahead and actually click save, right? So I will do that. And here, well, here you can see that it actually makes my face like totally cut out. So you want to go ahead and ensure that you change this. You will need to upload a new one, really, if you see something like that. So you just need to go ahead and choose a new picture. Let me go ahead and find a new picture, and you want to basically crop it into the hole, right? That's what I forgot to mention. You need to crop it into the hole that you can see, and that's going to give you the exact sizing. So yeah, and that's it. So you see, look even much better than when you crop it into the hole. But that's pretty much how you change it, guys. Very easy and very simple.